Welcome to the track. When you're enjoying the space, please fasten your 4-point safety belt over your right and left shoulder. Then, firmly hold the right shoulder belt. Secure all loose clothing and long hair. The gas is the cruise pedal on the right. The brake is the red pedal on the left. The red pedal takes you stop. The red pedal makes you stop.
Hi, pretty girl.
Along the track, there will be absolutely no bumping, stopping, or forcing to the rail. If all